Hi, mathematicians. Today I want to look back at the work we did yesterday for our birds on a wire problem. So we did two together to get you started. And then it was your job to continue on, try to find all the different ways that you could make those combinations to 10. So let's check the first page of my work. Actually, I want to give you a minute. I'll give you a minute after we look at mine to get yours if you still have it. Okay, so these are the two we did together. We said 2 purple and 8 blue makes 10 altogether. So sometimes I call them like number partners to make 10. They were 2 and 8. In this one, there was 5 purple and 5 blue. The number partners were 5 and 5 to make 10. Okay, then down here, I did 3 purple and 7 blue. 3 plus 7 makes 10. And then down here I found another one, 8 purple and 2 blue. 8 and 2 makes 10. So before I show you my second page, I want you to look at this page and see if you can find a pattern. Or see if you notice something kind of tricky, almost like a little clue about making 10. Okay, I'll give you a hint. There's something that you could observe about this and this. What I observe is that the numbers are reversed. Here I had 2 purple, and here I had 2 blue. How many purple did I have here? 8. And how many purple did I have here? 8. So here the number partners were 8 and 2, and here the number partners were 2 and 8. You can flip-flop them, and it still makes 10. So now I'll show you page 2, and I want you to make some observations again, look for patterns. What do you notice? Oh, somebody noticed that the 3 and 7 got flip-flopped here. On the first page, I have 3 purple. On the second page, I have 3 blue. And then I did the opposite. I had 7 blue and 7 purple, but they still make 10 altogether. So let's see, we've done 7 and 3, we've done 8 and 2, 5 and 5 will be the same either way, it's the same number. Up here I did 4 and 6. So I'm going to try flip-flopping that and see if it works. So I'm going to draw another wire, and if I did 4 purple at the top, if I want to flip-flop it, that means I need to do how many purple down here? It needs to be the color that blue was. So how many blue was there? 6. So while I draw my 6 purple, you can go and get your birds on a wire, and then we'll compare. There's some construction work going on below me, so hopefully it's not too noisy on our video. Okay, let's count. I had 6 purple, so here I have to count on to make my combination to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many blue did I make? 4. So did they flip-flop? They did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It still makes 10. So while I'm working on this, you can check your work. Maybe you can look at my 2 pages and see what combinations am I missing. I heard somebody say you didn't do one with 10. I totally forgot about 10. So I'm going to do 10 purple circles sitting on the wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, do I have to add any more, or will there already, yeah, we're already at 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many blue will there be? Right, you still have to remember to say 0. So then when I do my number bond, it will be 10 is broke into 10 and 0. And I forgot one other combination. Can you guess what it is? Right, it was 9. So I'm going to draw 9 purple circles, 9 birds on a wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I can just count on 10. So I have 1 blue and 9 purple, and all together I have 10. Okay, so now I want you to look at these 2 pages and see if you have all of these combinations. You might have done both of them, like 7 and 3 and 3 and 7, but make sure that you have all of these combinations. If you don't and you want to add on, just push pause. So I'm going to read these one more time. Actually, I'll just still hold it up. 2 and 8 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. 3 and 7 make 10. 8 and 2 make 10. 4 and 6 make 10. 7 and 3 make 10. 6 and 4 make 10. 10 and 0 make 10. And 9 and 1 make 10. Mathematicians, while I was studying this, I noticed another pattern. So look at your information, look at your data, and see if you can figure out what is the pattern that I notice when we're making partners to 10. Okay, I made a little chart about this. Just like we said, 0 and 10 make 10, 1 and 9 make 10, 2 and 8 make 10, 3 and 7 make 10, 4 and 6 make 10, 5 and 5, and then here they all flip-flop. So look what happens. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's kind of crazy. As one gets bigger, the other gets one smaller. That's a pattern that I observed in our math information. All right, well, if you need to, you can finish up making those combinations for birds on a wire, and then if you can, make sure to do your number bonds and maybe try a number sentence. These were all getting more problems. Addition. It would be like there was 7 birds on a wire and then 3 more flew in. For your calendar today is Wednesday, May 20th, and it is a yellow day. We have some nice weather that the meteorologists forecast, so my prediction is that we will have a lot of more yellow days in May. Thank you.